So if you're looking for a way to get your pool clean using a robot, well, I may have something for you. Now, you can use the pool pump cleaner, which, yes, it does work pretty good, but if you don't have the time like a lot of people and you just want to run something to get it clean, well, this you may want to check out. So this is the SMOROBOT. It's an automatic smart robot, and it's not just a pool cleaning robot that's just gonna randomize and do whatever. It learns everything and actually uses a method to clean your pool precisely and efficiently. So let's go ahead and take a look in the box of the Tank X11 intelligent robotic pool cleaner from SMOROBOT. So right here, getting started right off the bat, we have our getting started guide. Now there was a lot of additional packaging in there, so I'm just going to kind of get that out of the way. There is really not much assembly that you're going to have to do with this thing, which is really great. So there is the robot right there, but look at those tracks on this thing. Here's the on off buttons. So you got a standard and a fast cleaning mode. It does have a little bit of battery power, but they do recommend that you charge it up. Right here is the power adapter that is included, and you'll see that little screw on. So there's a port on the side where you open it up so no water gets in, and then you can power it up. Here is the float, which you're going to tie to the handle so you can easily grab it out of the water. Also, this is like the J hook, which is going to go onto like your pool cleaning net to grab it with. And then finally, here is the secondary included screen net filter. I tested this out with the pool behind me, which is an Intex above ground. While it's probably not really for that, you can use it on that. These are pretty expensive to use it on a above ground pool, and would really be beneficial for a larger in-ground type pool or a very large above ground pool if you just don't have the time. It did a really good job on this. Once you charge it up and you can let it run, it's got a standard mode and a fast clean mode. This thing will climb the walls by itself all over the place. It did a really awesome job. Inside here there is a basket. It actually comes with 2 cleaning baskets here. I'll pull this out. Doesn't have too much in it right now because I just ran it again after cleaning the pool. I wanted the pool to be pretty dirty, and it was pretty dirty. There was a lot of stuff that was on the bottom of the pool, and the problem is that a lot of times when you see videos like this, they're just not dirty, the pool, so you have no idea really if it works. Well, I tried it that way, and because of how this works, and yes, all of them are going to work the same way. You can see there's a little fan. It pushes the water out. So yes, the first 2 times that I ran it, it sucked up tons of stuff. There was leaves in there, and there was plenty of debris and things like that. But honestly, the pool was too dirty. So I had to use the flocculant to drop everything down. I mean, the pool really, after cleaning it and picking so much stuff up, it was still like super green. It just mixed everything up. Not that it was the fault of this, it was because I just let it get too dirty because I thought, well, maybe it can pick everything up, but some of those particles are just too small for the mesh in this. And what I had to do was use the flocculant and put it in there, let everything settle, and actually use the vacuum cleaner that runs through the pump. I didn't pump it back into the pool, I pumped it out. So that's on me. And after cleaning it out, it came out really good. I mean, I just ran the machine on fast mode again, and if you do this like every few days or so just to keep it going, it charges relatively quick, super easy to use. One thing that I will say about the Tank X11 here from SMOROBOT is just by itself it's pretty heavy, but once you put it in the water and it's full of water and waterlogged, it's like really heavy to pull up. And a few people that I saw reviews from, so this is the floater right here, so that pretty much is attaches to the top, just floats around. You can kind of see where it's at and easy enough to grab it. They also have an attachment for like a pool, like you know, like a net attachment, but it's actually a hook. You can always grab the handle with that if you needed to. And some people online said that this got stuck within the tractor. I didn't have that. This always stayed up top even when it was going up the wall. So it could possibly happen, right? I don't know, but it could. Maybe if you have the water running from the filter and actually making a lot of motion. I turned it off when I was running this, but let me just show you what the pool looks like right now. I'm pretty stoked with how this looks. It's looking pretty clean and clear. I really do like the way that looks, so I'm really happy about that. One thing that I will say about this is when I was just cleaning the pool by itself, getting the walls is such a pain. So if you have an above ground pool, or really any pool, and you have to clean those walls, it's so annoying to do it with the brush thing, and then everything just goes everywhere. So not only was this doing a great job across the bottom, climbing the walls, it really got everything. And I did a total about 4 times to clean it, and then I sucked all the stuff out using that Flock-to-Win again, and then out of the filter, and then let it run again, and it's keeping it super clean. So I'm really liking this robot. The biggest thing here is really the cost of it. Probably doesn't make sense enough to have it for an above ground pool, but if you do have an in-ground pool, something like this is going to be a huge time saver. Just drop it in and let it go. So if you're looking for something that's automated, an automated robot that's going to clean your pool efficiently and effectively, the SMOROBOT X11 is probably going to be the way to go. I really like it, easy to use. Drop it in, keep that pool looking crystal clear, and it's getting hot out. I'm going in the pool.